Hello friends, welcome back to Rachel's Nook. Today I wanted to get on here and make you up my seasoning blend that I enjoy, and it's called taco seasoning. Go ahead and start with the 4 tablespoons of chili powder. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we are. That, we'll get this out of the way. We have cumin here. 2 tablespoons of this. So it's going to be 2 teaspoons of paprika. I use smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika, whatever you prefer. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons of this. 1 and 2. And then we are going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. There, let's turn that around so we don't mix here. 2. There we are. Now we have 2 teaspoons of oregano. Yes, this is smelling delicious. I'm going to have to make some tacos later. After that, we're going to do 2 teaspoons of Redmond's Real Salt. I really enjoy this. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do buy their product, and it's really good. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. 1 and 2. All right. And then we are going to do 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I believe that's going to finish it up right there. We're going to double check on our recipe and make sure that we got everything in there. That's it. Okay, so now we're going to take this and we're going to put the lid on it and make sure it's snapped down really good. Get that lid on there. There we go. Snap down. Kind of shake it around. Give it a good shake. Make sure everything is blended up very nicely. And this is a great taco seasoning. I love making black bean tacos. We make tacos quite a bit. That's one of my favorite. So I'm going to take this off. And oh yeah, and that's mixed up nicely. Smells really good. I'll go ahead and just make sure everything is distributed well. Okay, there we go. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill up our taco seasoning jar. That way we have it on hand, and then we're going to take that and we're going to store it away. There we go, and we'll just use this here and we'll just fill it up. And this makes a perfect taco seasoning. I'm so glad I got to share this with y'all. Very exciting. Almost full. And a little goes a long way, and look how much you have left over. So you spend the money on the seasonings, and then you can make so many different blends and save yourself so much money. I haven't bought any kind of taco seasoning since we have become plant-based. I have not invested in any of that. I try to do it all myself, and ways like this, just trying to stay as healthy as possible. And there we go. Give it a good shake around. And now you have your own taco seasoning blend. I want to thank everybody for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it'll be helpful to your family. Until the next. Bye for now. Stay blessed.